going to need contracts. And like I said, what type of contracts are you going to have? NHS, private sector, for example, like I mentioned previously in the beginning of this presentation. So you need to have that on your spreadsheet. And I hope that everyone is writing this down, and you're going to create a spreadsheet of what it is that you need to do. Because like I'm speaking here, I'm giving you some really good nuggets. So I wanted you to be able to create this. Although you're going to get the spreadsheet, it's good for you to start writing things down. So what contracts will you do? There's various types of software. Software where you can roster your staff members, does the payroll, it does the timesheets, for example, but also it can send text messages out, for example. It's just a press of a button. You can also look for staff members. You can actually recruit staff members through software, for example, just by pressing a button. And then they're the ones that are applying to you, they're coming to you. However, it's good to have scalable staff members that can help you with, the recruitment process. You don't have to have a recruiter. You can actually have an assistant to help you with your paperwork, for example. But onto the contract. Again, like I said, you're going to, what is your 12-month plan? I mentioned what types of contracts do you want to get? And who with? Is it NHS? Is it the government, county councils? The list is endless. The schools, for example. So think about those types of contracts that you want to have in that 12-month period. Think about what your turnover is going to be in that 12-month period, because that is going to obviously be your driving force for your organization. You're going to start off small if you've just started, but maybe you have started and you're a medium-sized organization, 500k plus, for example. But you could also be the type that's at 750 to 1 million, or you could be earning turnover 4 million in your business. But how do you scale to 8 figures if you're a 7-figure care provider, for example? There's healthcare technology contracts. Make a list of contracts, do a 12-month plan of the types of contracts that you want to apply for.